Nokia 5140 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You need the following tools: a Torx Plus driver size 6, a slotted screwdriver, metal tweezers, the SRT10 and the SRT6. Press the markings and pull apart A shell and B shell. Remove key mat from B shell. Remove A shell. Unlock SIM cover and remove it. Unscrew the 6 screws in the order shown. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Take away UI module ASSI from C cover. Unlock LCD connector carefully. Take a clean cloth and press out LCD from UI module ASSI. Protect LCD with a film. Remove Kirk boot and speaker with tweezers. Now, separate speaker from Kirk boot. To remove battery cover, bend away the system connector first. The system connector is attached to C cover with adhesive tape. To detach it, use SRT6 as level and go around the system connector until it is loose. If there is any rest remaining on the C cover, remove it also with SRT6. The use of soldering jig RJ8 prevents destroying any contacts of the engine module when changing the camera. Be very careful not to destroy any surrounding components when levering up the camera shield. At this side, prevent bending the surrounding shieldings. Take away camera shield. Carefully unlock both sides of camera with SRT10. Remove camera with tweezers. Now, disassembly procedure is finished.